Want to trade like the pros without blocking huge capital? Watch this video to know how you can invest with Margin Trading Facility. Margin Trading Facility or MTF enables investors to buy stocks by paying a portion of the trade value and borrowing the rest from the broker. MTF enhances purchasing power, allowing investors to take larger equity positions while deploying limited initial capital. Any resident, individual, and non-individual client with an active unique client code and who has opted for Demat Debit and Pledge Instructions or DDPI can opt for MTF. National Stock Exchange (NSE) publishes a list of eligible securities permitted for margin trading under the equity cash segment. These are typically large cap liquid stocks that meet the exchange's risk criteria. Initial margin usually is equal to value at risk plus extreme loss margin. Exchanges define minimum initial margin depending on value at risk and extreme loss margin, while brokers may impose additional margins based on internal risk policies. Initial margin can be paid with cash margin or your current holdings in Demat account like approved equity shares and mutual fund units including equity, debt and liquid scheme. There are also haircuts that varies each asset class. For example, a haircut for liquid or debt funds is around 5 to 15% and for equity mutual funds is around 25 to 35% depending on volatility and liquidity. In practice, most brokers enable MTF based on SEBI approved stocks and enforce margin disciplines through automated systems. All MTF funded stocks and collateral undergo daily surveillance and risk checks. Brokers provide transparency on interest rates, pledge charges, and liquidation triggers. Suppose you have a Demat and trading account and your total holding is rupees 5 lakhs. If your entire holding comprises of stocks approved under MTF list, you may be eligible for up to 70% margin benefit. That is, on rupees 5 lakhs, you could get a leverage of 3.5 lakh rupees. This margin allows you to take an additional positions. For example, if the applicable margin requirement for a new MTF position is 50%, you can purchase up to rupees 7 lakhs worth of stocks using rupees 3.5 lakhs as a margin. Margin trade funding enables you to amplify your trading capacity. With borrowed funds, you can take a larger equity position while deploying minimal initial cash. Let's consider an example where you want to invest in company A. But currently you have only rupees 50,000 to invest and with your holding you can get a margin of rupees 4 lakhs. Margin requirement for company A is 50%. Your total purchase power with a 50% margin, you can borrow an additional rupees 50,000. This method gives you a total of rupees 1 lakh to invest. Now, let's assume that you have invested rupees 1 lakh, that is rupees 50,000 of your own money and 50,000 borrowed from a broker in the company A. The stock goes up by 20% in 10 days. That results in rupees 1,20,000 in your portfolio with a gain of rupees 20,000. As you have invested rupees 50,000 of your own capital, your return is 40% excluding brokerage and interest. You might be thinking, wow, it's a great option for you to start with to amplify your returns. But let's look at the same scenario, but in the case, the stock of company A, instead of going up, goes down by 20%. If the stock's value drops by 20% to rupees 80,000, your loss is rupees 20,000. Here, you would have lost 40% of your money. If the loss continues or reaches a critical level, your broker might issue a margin call, requiring you to deposit more funds or liquidate part of your position to cover it. Here are some things that you should know before you start trading in MTF. You cannot utilize MTF in derivatives trading. You need to activate DDPI, that is Demat, Debit and Pledge instruction that allows your broker to adjust the margin through auto pledge. You can hold the stocks with MTF for as long as you want provided you are maintaining sufficient margin. Don't forget that MTF is a double-edged sword. You should only expose yourself to an extent where you can have the appetite to take up losses. I hope this video helped you to understand the margin trade facility and you will be able to utilize it in your investments smartly.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.